Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an FxPro account for beginners. Creating an account on FxPro app is the first step into online trading. FxPro Group offers access to the forex, stocks, indices and commodities. The sign-up process is straightforward, but you'll need to provide accurate information and complete verification to unlock the full features. So first, you need to open to your FxPro app on a device and simply tap on the register with FxPro on the bottom there. So here you can simply register now with your email or password, and you can also select the country of your residence. And after you're done, tap on the register on the bottom, and that is it. Creating an account on FxPro is simple if you follow the step carefully from registration, and each step ensures your account is secure and ready for trading. Beginners should start with a demo account to understand the platform before investing real money. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.